Goodman heat pump compressor delay. I know I have no shoes on and don't even think of asking me why, but only the fan is running right now, and this is a compressor delay, and I already have a video of it with a compressor delay. So, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and wait till the compressor turns on. It's making that humming noise because that's a normal for the fan motor. Yes, the blades are spinning sort of slow this way, but the camera shows shadows of them spinning that way. The compressor will start up. It takes about a minute before the compressor starts up, and sometimes even 2 minutes. But I'll just take as much time as it is to let the compressor start up. If it doesn't start up, then I know something's wrong with this, but it will, because this is just a compressor delay to me right now. There it goes! Alright, the compressor just started up alright.